Hello everyone, I'm Han. In the previous assessment, my team members and I investigated the environment, culture, history, and drought problems of Wellgate. In response to the drought, I designed a water-saving agricultural irrigation system for the local Aboriginal people, Gamilari. It includes greenhouse, stepped farms, different crops, a variety of irrigation methods, and automatic control. Now I will describe and evaluate each of these aspects. In my design, the greenhouse can not only control the temperature, humidity, and other growing environment of crops, but also recycle the water. Evapotranspiration and plant transpiration will consume a considerable part of water resources. The intense sunlight in Wellgate accelerates this process. The evaporated water can be recycled through the greenhouse plastic mulch. In addition, some of the water is lost through underground seepage. In a dry location, irrigation water will be quickly absorbed by the surrounding soil. I also placed a plastic mulch under the greenhouse to prevent water loss. In this greenhouse, less water is needed to keep the soil and air moist. For the mulch material, considering the protection of the land, I choose degradable plastic as the mulch material. For the supporting frame of the greenhouse, I considered the use of cement, Lois, wood, and so on. Considering the cost and availability, I finally choose to use Lois and local wood. In addition, as a building, the greenhouse itself can also convey information to the local residents. I designed the sections of the greenhouse in the shape of water drops, so that the local residents could better recognize the water resource-saving effect of my design proposal. According to the local drought, environment, and geographical conditions, I take native millet, wheat, and lucerne as three main crops, and their dependence on water was different. Therefore, I designed a different irrigation method for these three plants: ordinary irrigation, sprinkling irrigation, and drip irrigation. I set up 3 steps in the greenhouse, millet planting at the topmost. The water that flows through this layer can partially meet the water requirements of the crops below. Native millets is the most economical crops for the inhabitants of Gamilari. It can not only solve people's food problems, but also sell as a commodity. These 3 crops are better drought-tolerant plants and are the traditional crops of the Gamilari people. Indigenous traditional crops can make people more willing to grow and are culturally important for the development of the region. Finally, improving production efficiency is also an issue that needs to be considered in my design proposal. Water saving is the main purpose of greenhouse, so the precise control of irrigation water also puts forward higher requirements for greenhouse users. To make the job easier, I designed an automatic control system for the irrigation plant. Temperature and humidity sensors located on the soil surface of the greenhouse provide data for the computer to calculate the irrigation time and the amount of water. This also greatly improves the efficiency of water use. Okay, that's all of my design proposal. Thanks for watching.